Hey guys, it's Duraging, and today we are going to be doing a braid out video. I think this is my first braid out video, but yeah. So, as you can see, I did a little like quick plait in my hair, like I think 2 days ago or something. I used a product in my hair. Can't show the name because they don't pay me to advertise, but it seems to be working, I guess, but you could tell the difference. So after like wash my hair, condition, deep condition, I dried my hair, well, rinse obviously, and then I put some of this product in my hair and I let it dry. I also been using a detangling spray, and I put the 7 oils in it, and the 7 oils really seem to work. So I can advertise the 7 oils. I'll put a picture somewhere, but it seems to be working and it has your hair healthy. They have like 5 different flavors and it is working for me. I use the red one, so let's go. I wonder like where to start. I'll probably start from the back. See my little like random plaits. I just did it like this so that my hair can like twirl, or I don't know, I just did it big because it was like easier. I think I put it in like 5 or 6 parts. So as you can see, ooh, look at these curls. Oh my gosh, it's curls. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is first stopped. Look how crispy. My hair is literally shrinking. My hair length is not this. So this is actually my hair length. Oh, it did get longer actually. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is like try to separate it so that, however they call it, defined, you know, because this way is easier for me than to do it smaller. This is just me just like stretching it out. This is actually fun. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's a full head of hair. Even doing like the baby hair underneath. So I'm gonna be doing the next side. You saw this side didn't come out as good, but this side came out amazing. Well, I guess I needed to put like more products, but it's still really curly. Okay, here is a difference. Well, let me try and on this side. It's actually being stingy on the products. Oh, it's curly. Okay, now here's the separation phase. Even like you can pass your hand through the roots. I have like a little crunchy feel. But it all depends on like how you want it. See? I'm not even done. But it was this part. I don't know if this part actually got. Okay, so one side was done better than the other side, I guess. Oh, okay. This has a little crunch. It was how I like put it. And I like put it underneath the other side. Whoa, it's curls! Curling season. Ooh. Okay, I don't even know how I want this. But I'll put my detangling spray and 7 oils just for some like moisture. And you just like wanna frizz it up. Ooh. This one side still looks better than the other side. And you can see like the shrinkage is real. I know one side of my hair is longer than the next side. But yeah. I don't know what I'm missing now. Okay, well, my glasses disappeared. Don't know where I put that. But this is how it looks. I'd like put something here, but I'm just gonna cover it for the time being. It's a bang. This was like Princess's hairstyle. I remember seeing it in like a previous video. But woo! And I messed it up. Look at my earring. It looks so kawaii. Pat it down. Let it stay down. Okay, let it. Oh girl, you look so gorgeous and fun, girl. Oh yeah, I know. I've been told that a lot. But okay, this is the hairstyle. Anyways, yeah, that was like my tutorial. So, yeah, I guess my braid out. But anyways, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share for more. And I'll be seeing you all later. Pieces!